Hello and welcome to the Westland Golf website. This is the first of several videos which we're going to use to show the navigation and the facilities available to the administrators and to the customers using the site. This is the page that you will land on when you access the site using the login and password details from the assessment paper. And you can see there, the Westland 123 is the administrator logged into. Basically, the site is accessed through a drop-down menu at the top here, which shows you our brands, clubs, balls, bags, and all different products. We have a search facility at the top, an account login for customers who wish to see their previous orders, the view basket and checkout, nothing at the moment, and a direct link from the administrated area to the home page up here. This is the home page that people will land on normally when they access the site. This is the special offers, hot items, the latest items added. Along the bottom you can see the footer menu, the contact, delivery, returns, all the information required for the people using the site. So what the customer would do is basically browse to see whatever, either by the brand they prefer or the particular products that they require. So let's take a run through actually picking a product and sending it to the PayPal for ordering. Let's choose, for example, here, drivers. We've stocked up the site with many drivers through the testing process, and the administrative people have got themselves quite happy with that. What I've done here, I've set up a test item so we don't run out of PayPal credit in our test site. So by clicking on the site we want, we get all the information required. We can zoom in all the relative bits and pieces, and at the side here we have the options available. We can choose which handle club we want, the loft required, and the flex of the shaft, and then add to the shopping cart. Here we can see what we get now. We've got the actual item, the right hand, the 9-degree loft, and the regular option. The unit price, £1, I wish. Delivery, the change, the quantity, and here we have the access. We can change that now if we wish to say 5, since they're only £1 each. That's it. Now this is what would be sent to the PayPal. We've got here logged in. Now we don't have to log in. It's a facility that if the customer wishes to see his previous orders, but to use the site it's not necessary. Let's choose another one now. So we'll go up here again. We'll put another test item in. It's just a grip this time. Let's click on this. Blah blah blah, all the various bits and pieces. No options for a grip, obviously, so just add straight to a shopping cart, and now we see that's been added to the cart. We can keep on adding items to the cart now, and it will add on various. Let's choose another one, for example. Nice leather glove. Alright, here we have the leather glove. There's the information required, the price of delivery. Again, we can choose a right hand. We'll have a medium size, and we'll have it in white. Add it to the shopping cart, and that's all nicely detailed in the shopping. If we now wish to progress that order through to completion, press on the PayPal Now button. This takes us to the PayPal site now. This is the site that's been set up for the tutor, yourself. And now if we enter the password from the assessment and log in, what we see here is all our orders with the options, the total price, the postage and package. And that picks it up now. This is the test site for the RDI tutor, yourself. And now we can pay now. It goes away and works it all out. It says there, there's the transaction approved, blah blah blah, the ID, return to the store. Let's return to the store and just see what's happened now. This is now in the Westland test store. It's going to go down into it, and this is the thank you for the order, and to prove it's been processed. We can go back to the checkout and see all our items are still there. Now, what with the login, like I say, it was not necessary to log in, but let's show what happened if it is. The email address was tutor@mail.com and the password. You're logged in, click here to return. Nothing's really changed except we see here now you're logged in as tutor@mail.com, and you can see another link here where we can review our previous orders. Clicking on that, there are all the orders that have been set up in the name of tutor@mail.com, welcome RDI Tutor. That's the name that's been set up. These are the test pieces that we've sent through, and if we look at today's date, July the 14th, we can see same transaction number, our 5 drivers at £1, 1 grip and 1 glove. Now all this information has been gleaned from the database site using various joins in the SQL to pull information from the user table, the transaction table, the products table, and bring them all together. That's been a very brief tour of actually ordering some products from the site. If we go back to the administration page now, we can go through the other tours, which is the administrative activities that can be performed on the site on the inventory.